Mayam isay yam nungaiba anawung thole. One of my brothers shared me a music video. I think the vocalist is his friend. Let's watch it together. I like it and I hope you guys will also like it. ARAHEI TITIHEI ko. ARAHEI TITIHEI. A film by Thompson X Sharma. Yukio. I know this bookstore. It's in Kaisampat. I have been there before. Muku muku. Alex na si guitar se. Ukulele se. Muku muku kayak gitu.
Hai Hui Mapu Khar tuna hanbiro ko Mang siyam nungaite ba Saklak iibukshu Ipugitum loina na ARAHEI TITIHEI ARAHEI TITIHEI ARAHEI TITIHEI ARAHEI TITIHEI ARAHEI TITIHEI Hai na ARAHEI TITIHEI TITIHEI.
For those who doesn't understand the lyrics, the main part of the lyrics says ARAHEI TITIHEI means and titi means left and right. For those who take care of the cow, they try to guide the cow by saying titi because I think cow understand this kind of language. When I was a kid, people used to come in my house with cows and they used this word. And remaining lyrics says it's about a grandfather going up to the hill, carrying a bicycle, a stick, and a cloth which is hanging in his shoulder. And about this music video, the camera is nice, the color correction is nice, and the girl who is singing the song, I have already seen her before. I show in my brother's Instagram account, the one who shared this link. And so let's continue watching. I think they make this video by themselves. He's there. Shit, Konjang Bum. The middle one. To be continued. Thompson X Sharma, cinematography director, behind the scene. The location is nice. Where they shoot this video, the location, I think it's some kind of outskirt of Imphal. Langon gumba site audio khangdeni. She is wearing a traditional Manipuri dress. Gari su yadre. Ngasay angang ꯆꯦꯟꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ. Those kids which were in the video. Very nice. Isaido am nungaigre. Aduga aida ahamba male vocalist tugi ko. Adom maise makhasu tarakhido male. Mayam sigise engonda igi brother no share trok pane ko. Engonda keno tobio bro si isai je nungaibra yengo kholo ana ko. Ada ina reaction tobane moigi channel siju promote tobo ina ko. Moigi channel gi link to makhar hapamge. I will put the this channel link in my description. So bye bye. Tata.